Hey, what's going on, Pokepals and Pokegals? This is Bulbasaurus Rex, and today we have the Mega Rayquaza box. So, can't get this whole thing in the camera, so I will zoom out for you guys a little bit. Check out that awesomeness. And let's do a little 360. Boom. Here is a little story about the box and what you will find within the box. So I just want to thank you guys for being here. If you're excited, because I know I am, hit that like button and let's get started. So here we are with the Mega, not so Mega Rayquaza promo card. So check him out. What an awesome promo that is. Set him off in the back and check out the figure that we were able to get, that Mega Rayquaza just blasting through a tornado of some sort. Zooming on that tornado with him coming out. What an awesome action figure that is. So let's just set him off over here with our other guys and take a look at our booster packs. Here we are, Roaring Sky, another Roaring Sky. We have a Primal Clash and a Phantom Forces. So let's just get started. First booster pack, got the Primal Clash. Yes, code cards are for you guys. You guys know the deal. If you guys grab those, please let me know what you're able to get on the TCG online game. If you're able to pull something extraordinary, or even a full art holographic reverse holo rare, something like that. But Rushing Seas, Bufflet, oh my goodness, reverse holo rare, Wish Cash. Oh man, that is a first. Water Gun and Earthquake. This attack does 20 damage to each of your benched Pokemon. Oh, but insane damage that card does. But yeah, check that out. Not bad from the start. But our rare of the pack is a Medicham. Not bad at all. Reverse holo rare. Let's stick him in the back with our Rayquaza just hanging out back there. A little sick, so sorry if I sound weird, but here we go. 3 and 2, and we are off on the journey. Krabby, Hippotail, Glitter, Zorus, Fletchider, roller skates, and a reverse holo rare, another one. Oh man, check that out. What luck we have today. Swalot. And the rare of the pack is a Shiny Shine Shine. Oh my goodness, back to backs. Awesome. That's pretty funny. Let's just set them back here. And let's see which one's the last pack magic. Alright, here we are. Roaring Skies. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Alright. I think we have some good here. We have a Dunsprint's, Wingpole, Dratini, Electric, Washbell, Electrode. Nice. Double Dragon Energy. Gotta love these energy cards. And a Dragonair. Ooh, pretty sweet. Dratini and a Dragonair in the same pack. We got a Wurmple, reverse holo common, and the rare and final card from this Roaring Skies booster pack is a, holy smokes, a secret rare. Energy switch. Oh, just check that out. Oh man. Oh, let's check out the condition of it though. A little white speck right there. A little. I think that's about it, but it looks, for the most part, in pretty good condition. But we did pull that secret rare energy switch. Oh my goodness, let me just spend another 5 minutes looking at this card. Holy smokes. Oh man. I'll just set them off up there. And I think we should have saved that one for our last pack magic. Oh man. Hoping for, can't go wrong with another awesome pull. But here we go. Last pack magic. Oh man. I don't know if we can do any better than that, but we will see. Ultra Ball. Nice trainer right there. We got a Willipare. We got another switch. Not an energy switch, but a switch. And a reverse holo Dratini. And a final card. Rare of this booster pack and this Mega Rayquaza box is a Shedinja. What a tongue twister. But yeah, awesome card, and I am not mad at all. So we got 2 reverse holo rares. We got a Swallet and a Whiscash. The reason why we got this box in the first place, Rayquaza promo card XY64. What a beautiful card. Don't forget about that action figure. Alright. And to top it all off, energy switch. Secret rare. Oh my goodness. 109 out of 108. But yeah, just check that out. If you guys like what you saw, please smash that like button right now. Hit it, smash it. I don't care what you do with it. Just make sure you click it before you get out of here. But be sure to subscribe. Comment in the section below. Let me know whether you'll get this box or not. I highly recommend this box. Go out and get it right now. Yeah, thanks again for being here, and see you in our next video, guys. Bulbasaurus Rex out.